Hi students, this is Nisha Parik from Saraswat International Academy. Today I am going to teach Environmental Studies of Class 4, Chapter 3, A Day with Nandu, Part 1. Nandu is a baby elephant. So Nandu is baby elephant. He was sleeping. He woke up suddenly. When he was sleeping, then he woke up suddenly. Where was he? So he was wondering where was he? He was not sure. It seems to him that he was surrounded by a forest of big grey tree trunks. So he was wondering that he was surrounded with a forest of big grey tree trunk. He was nervous. So he was nervous. Oh, mother was there only. His mother was there only. The grey forest that he had imagined he was in was actually the leg and trunks of his family. So the forest, grey forest he was imagined that he was in was actually the legs or trunks of his family members. Nandu's Nani is the oldest in this herd of elephants. So Nandu's Nani is oldest in this herd of elephant. Herd of elephant means group of elephant, and Nani is mother's mother. At afternoon, she trumpeted a loud sound and started moving towards the jungle. So afternoon she trumpeted a loud sound and started moving towards jungle. The other female elephants started to follow her. So other female elephant followed her. Nandu also went with them. So Nandu also went with them. The herd reached the jungle. So the herd reached jungle. All female elephants went to different places and started eating twigs and leaves of different trees. So all female elephants went at different places and started eating twigs and leaves of different trees. After eating, they moved towards the river. So after eating, they moved towards the river. The baby elephant enjoyed playing in water. So, baby elephant enjoyed playing in water. Nandu's mother lay down in the water and mud. So, Nandu's mother she laid down in the water and mud. Do you know that an adult elephant can eat more than 100 kilograms of leaves and twigs in a day? So, adult elephant can eat more than 100 kilograms of leaves and twigs in a day. Elephant do not rest very much. So, as we all elephant do not rest very much. They sleep only 2 to 4 hours in a day. So, they sleep only for 2 to 4 hours. Elephants love to play with mud and water. So, elephants love to play with mud and water. The mud keeps their skin cool. So, mud keeps their skin cool. Their big ears also work like fans. So, their big ears works like fan. Elephant flap these to keep themselves cool. So, they flap these ears to keep themselves cool. Find out. Nandu is only 3 months old, but he is 200 kilogram. What is your weight? So, Nandu is only 3 months old and his weight is 200 kilograms. What is your weight? You have to write here. How many children like you will add up to find Nandu's weight? So, how many children like you we will add to find Nandu's weight? In this picture, you can see elephants enjoying. Nandu saw his brothers and sisters pulling one another's tail. So, Nandu saw his brothers and sisters pulling one another's tail. He thought, I better not go near them. So, he thought, better be far not to go near to them. What if he fall on me? So, what if they fall on him? I am still small. So he's small, so he's afraid if they fall on me, what happens of me? He quietly went and stood near his mother. So he went and stood near his mother. Mother gently pushed Nandu towards the water. So mother she pushed Nandu towards water, as if she was telling him to go and play. So she was telling him to go and play. Nandu loved to play in water. Nandu also loved to play in water. His cousins were already there. So his cousins were already there in water. Just as he reached near, a strong fountain of water fell on his head. So as he reached near, a strong fountain of water fell on his head. He got wet. So he got wet. Oh, this was the work of his naughty cousins. Nandu joined them in the game. So it was the work of his naughty cousins. Then Nandu joined them in the game. Thank you for today. Next of the lesson will continue in part 2.